In this lesson, you will learn how to insert a column in Google Sheets. To insert a column, select the column where you want to insert the new column next to. To do this, click the column header. Next, click Insert on the menu. Now, hover the mouse pointer over the arrow to the right of columns. You will have the option to insert one column left or insert one column right. I will select Insert one column left. The new column is inserted. Let's look at a second way to insert a column. Once again, click the column header to select the entire column. Next, right-click the shaded area of the column. Here, you can select Insert one column left or Insert one column right. I will select Insert one column right. The new column is inserted to the right. Now let's look at how to insert multiple columns at once. Before we do that, I will return the spreadsheet to its original state. Let's say we wanted to insert two columns to the left of the city column. First, click the column header to select the column you want to insert columns next to. Next, while holding the Shift key down, press the right arrow key one time to select a total of two columns. Now click Insert on the menu. Next, hover over the arrow to the right of columns. You will have the option to insert two columns left or insert two columns right. If you select Insert two columns left, the columns will be inserted before the leftmost column selected. If you select Insert two columns right, the columns will be inserted after the rightmost column selected. I will select Insert two columns left since I want the new columns to be inserted before the city column, which is the leftmost column in my selection. As you can see, two columns have been inserted to the left of the city column. In this lesson, you learned multiple ways to insert a column in Google Sheets, including how to insert multiple columns at once.